Hi, my name is Jenica, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a front handspring. So with a front handspring, you want to make sure that you've mastered a skill of being able to stack your shoulders with your hips in a handstand, so you transfer that weight, making sure in a front handspring that you start into a lunge position. You're going to dive forward, placing your hands right below those shoulders, just as if you're going into a handstand and then coming right back down. You can practice those drills a couple times to be able to know where your body is supposed to go. Once you get your hands over your feet, then to be able to add on, your feet are going to pretend like they have weights on them as they're going to throw all the way to the other side, then landing with your feet together at the end. Making sure that you have power going into it and that you're coming from that lunge position, pressing off your supporting leg, driving through those shoulders, making sure that you're keeping nice and strong here. You have barely a bend in your elbows to protect those elbows as well. So as you're going through that front handspring, you're going to take those hands up nice and steady, driving through that leg, throwing those feet as far as you can. So as you're coming up, you're going to drive through and then landing back down. You can do this as it's a split front handspring as you land one foot to the other to be able to connect moves, or you can land it just in plie with both legs together at the end. Good luck with this one. You can practice it on a safe surface, but have fun with it.